In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce queue. Creating queues in Salesforce is a powerful way to organize stakeholders and manage workload assignments. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up a queue efficiently, enhancing your team's productivity. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. If you're not already there, just open your browser and head to your Salesforce dashboard. Look for the intuitive Home tab, which is usually the starting point for most of your Salesforce tasks, providing a great overview of your current activities and data. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to locate the gear icon. This gear symbol represents your settings and is typically in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to various settings and customization options. From this drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup. This choice will take you to the Setup page, where you have what you need to configure many aspects of your Salesforce environment. It's like stepping through a door that leads to the control center of your Salesforce system. Next, look for the Users option. You'll find this on the panel on the left-hand side of your setup interface. The User Settings area is where you can manage and configure new or existing user permissions and access. After clicking Users, locate and select Queues from the options that unfold. The Queues section is where the magic happens in terms of organizing workload management by enabling specific groups access to work items. With the Queues tab open, your next action is to create a new view. Look for a button or link that prompts you to create new view. Clicking here will begin the process of establishing a fresh queue, essentially a new collection point for tasks or records that you want to handle collectively. As you proceed to create your queue, you'll need to provide the necessary information. Think of this step as giving your queue its identity and purpose. Be clear with the queue name and be sure to define who should have access and what records or objects the queue will handle. Once you've entered all the required information, take a moment to review your entries. When satisfied, click Save. This action effectively locks in your settings and establishes the queue in your Salesforce environment. And finally, once your queue is saved, you might want to highlight it. Although this last step is more about visibility, it can be very helpful in ensuring that everyone on your team is aware of the new resource available in Salesforce. And there you have it, a newly created Salesforce queue ready to optimize how your team works. Using queues is a great way to enhance collaboration and make sure tasks are managed effectively across different teams or departments. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.